Dal Lake. I'll bring Dal Lake next year, okay? Everyone, welcome back to Yasang's World. So today my friends and I, we have come here to the Korean mart that I always show you guys in my vlogs. And Bhargav and I, we have come just now, from our Uzbeki class, and we met Iram also here. She's also come, so we thought why not have this very chill evening with some Korean snacks, and I thought why not vlog it for you guys. So it's going to be a very lazy sit and chill kind of a vlog. So if you guys have your snacks, your coffee, you can also grab that. I'm also planning to show you guys the Korean snacks that we get here. Also, you can check out the price difference if you're here in Tashkent and you want to try out. And that is my favorite cafe, Beans and Brew. And here we have the Born Cafe, Bhargav, Iram, and this is the Korean mart. So this area is pretty busy, especially during this time, because there are lots of students here from different countries, and that's why they have opened this Korean mart also, because there are a lot of Asian people as well. So if you guys live in Tashkent, you guys can come here. It's near the Mingyurek Oybek metro station. So we are inside the mart right now. This is also a CVS, so you can just sit here with your friends and eat, but we are sitting outside, out there. Bhargav is out there, so you can also sit inside, but they play Korean songs, so there are a lot of copyright issues. So you can see that we get takis out here. It's pretty expensive, 89,000. It's close to 500. That too for this small packet. So yeah, some Korean snacks, Lays. The Lays that we get out here, it's very different from the one that we get in India. There are so many different flavors. Like this one is our favorite. This one is the crab flavor Lays. This one is also different. It's the seaweed flavor. This one is also another one. This is the lobster. This one is the crab. Then we have chocolates out here, like Hershey's and Kit Kat, M&M's, the usual, chocolates, the famous chocolates. And here we have Kinder Joys as well. You guys can check out the price differences, 24,000, 30,000. Now let's go to the main area. These are popsicles, ice creams. Have Toblerone ice cream. I've never tried this out. Iram, they have Toblerone ice cream as well. I've never tried this. So here we have the main item, that is our cup noodles and kimchis, ramens, shin ramen. Tteokbokki is also out here. And some candies, Korean candies. Fruit snacks, this one's also here. So I'm planning to go for this one. And if you guys think that I'm sounding pretty low, that's because we have had a very long day. We are awake since 6 in the morning. We had classes from 7:38, so yeah. And after that also, we had 2 classes back to back, and after that also we had to do grocery shopping and exchange our money for the rent, and along with that we had to come for our Uzbeki class. And now we are finally free. Iram and Bhargav's day is over, but mine apparently is not over yet, because I also need to attend a meeting for my research, so that's there as well. Anyways, enough ranting about how my day was. I'm gonna show you guys some makeup products. Roman is also here. Some good skincare products, sheet masks, face masks, shampoos. I really like their eyeshadow, Roman's eyeshadow. I've given a review also in my Instagram. If you've not checked that out, I'll leave a link to my Instagram account in the description box. And also you can see the page out here. You can go and follow, because I interact a lot with my family, YouTube family and Insta family in the stories as well. They have the Ordinary's Niacinamide 10%. I'm sorry, there's a lot of blinking happening because of the lights. Let me know guys if you are like, you know, that kind of a person who loves to try out new skincare products, because there are lots out here like Korean skincare. There are eye patches like this one, Matcha Biome Hydrogel eye patch, rose water eye patch. This we used to get in Ukraine as well. Then we have the tomato and the peach cleansing foams, aloe vera cleansing foam. There are lots of, you know, drinks that we've never heard of. We try and, you know, pick those that we've never tried. You can see so many different flavors of cola, like cherry, then there's Fanta cherry, there's lemon. Which one is this? Oh no, this is the passion fruit. Yep, passion fruit. And these are the different coffees that you get: black coffee, cappuccino, mocha latte. These are pretty good. We've tried them out. Look at her face. She's also really tired. This shows how, you know, long our day has been. And mine's not over yet, Iram. I have a meeting. It's coconut, almond, vanilla, and there was oat milk as well, but I cannot find it today. Maybe it's out of stock. Oh, here it is. This is the oat milk. This is like the normal oat milk. This is the chocolate oat milk. Yeah, you get this everywhere, I think, nowadays, you know. And this is the like mini version of the oat milk. These are the oat milks Iram I was talking about. Different percentages there. This one is the chocolate one. We will give our orders. They will make our noodles right here. And we also, today they don't have the thing. Iram. Oh, so sad. Like the sausages are here, but the thing is not here. The seaweed rice thing. So this is what I've chosen because my coffee intake has exceeded. So I'll be taking this one, and Iram is taking this one. It's a milk tea, I think, right? Fish lovers. There's horse meat also out here, Iram. Horse meat. And then bacon. These are the ramen sauces. Seaweed, if you want to make, you know, seaweed sushi. And here we have our corn dog. This side is the corn dog with mozzarella cheese, and this one is with the cheddar cheese. And then we have somsa. This is a bigger version of the somsa. And some other snacks like, you know, bakery items, breads. So after we give the order, they make our ramen out there. So this is my dinner. Usually I don't have dinner, but today we are really tired and we could not cook anything at home. So we've been running here and there. So this is the corn dog with mozzarella, and we have some sweet and spicy sauce, and my drink, which is berries and lemon mojito. And this is Iram's. Let's eat. Bon appetit. This is not the spicy one because we have to go home also, and I think among the three of us, nobody's gonna try the 3x spicy ever again in anyone's life, you know, because it was bad. I don't know how someone can have such, you know, spicy noodles, because, you know, there's no taste, there's nothing. If you have the spicy one, you're gonna be all sweaty, and, you know, we just saw one guy out here. He tried the 3x spicy and he literally rushed. Last time also we saw, right? That guy was buying milk. And today also there was this guy. He was rushing to get some water because it was super spicy and he's like sweating. So, you know, why to eat? Like, we did that for a challenge, but we'll never try that again. And this one is not ramen. This is actually jajangmyeon, which is also known as the black bean noodles. Because usually my favorite ramen is the carbonara one, but it is out of stock, so I chose to have jajangmyeon, black bean noodles, and corn dog.
अगर बात हो
I like to have my own roll. This one is not at all spicy for us. Like even at home, my mom, she buys, you know, like lots of packets of this black bean noodles and also the pink carbonara one. So for someone who's watching, please don't get angry because it's not spicy and it's not about my stomach.
But for Bhargav, I think it's fine.
Yeah, for Bhargav, for beginners, it's very spicy. Like Bhargav.
I'm not a beginner, okay?
Hiram can
Something
have.
happened after break.
Hiram can have lots of, you know, spicy food. Even I can, but Mr. Bhargav, he can't because I don't know. He has some stomach problem, and he has like, you know, taken an oath never to have ramen. I don't know. That won't be fulfilled. I'm pretty sure, but still, yes, it is. Even the cheese ramen, which is not spicy at all, last time we had in my last vlog. If you have not seen, I will link that as well. This is nothing in front of Dal Lake. I'll bring Dal Lake next year, okay? If you see my grandmother eating spicy food, you'll faint. Like Dal Lake, she'll have 3-4 with one meal. He eats like the, you know, seeds also of Dal Lake. It's so spicy, like this entire, like the 3x spicy ramen we had, it's similar to that only. But it's, I think, less harmful as compared to, you know, ramen sauce. I am so busy, guys. I feel like crying. Sometimes, you know, there are so many things that you have to handle and you need to do, and you feel like just taking a break. Right now I am at that point, but you know, like I said, just having your faith in God helps a lot. Like I have so much thing in my plate right now to do. You can ask my friends also if you want. Like Hiram is always like, oh my god, now Kelly will be so busy, she has no time for us. But the only thing that keeps me going is knowing that, you know, God has already planned everything for me. So no matter what happens, even if, like, you know, my day is not as good as I had expected, I just leave it up to God, because I feel like, you know, who knows, like this opportunity has closed, so another one will open, and when the other door opens, I feel like, you know, that is what God has planned for me, and I like go ahead with that. Opportunities like come your way. Before I used to, you know, self-doubt, and I used to think like, am I capable of doing it or not? But I feel like when opportunities come your way, it has come for a reason, and out of that opportunity you might be able to learn like something new. You know, it doesn't always have to be a success. Like whatever you try out, like for example, I tried modeling in UK, right? So that was a great learning experience for me. Like I just did it as a hobby and, you know, something new to try out, and my friends were there to support me, even my parents. So I just tried it, and it was a very new thing, and I loved it, you know, like posing in front of the camera. And I also got to learn like it's not easy as it seems, you know. We just think like they just go and they do the pretty makeup and pretty clothes, but actually they have to, like, you know, sit there for hours and hours for the makeup to be like perfect, and the fittings and everything else. Like my shoulders used to hurt a lot. So I feel like, you know, that this is just a small example about how, you know, opportunities can teach you so many things. Like it can be you know, small chapter in your life that can teach you a lot of things, and no matter what opportunity, however big or small, comes your way, I feel you should just go ahead with that. Even if you fail, even if you succeed in that, it's a part and parcel of life, and that is the plan of God. So yeah, that's all. That's a small advice for today's vlog. Now I'll eat. It's, what's the time? it's 9:30 and we need to rush home, and at 11 p.m. I have my meeting, and that is because of the time differences, you know. So that's my life right now, guys, but I'm still enjoying every bit of it, you know, the struggles, the ups and the downs, because I know that how much ever valleys and, you know, dark valleys and, you know, hills that I have to go through, I will always be, you know, walking through it with God. So that is like my inner peace, that gives me inner peace. Enough talking about. And since I've been talking with you guys, I have a lot more left. And also, if you guys haven't seen our, you know, 3x spicy ramen challenge, I will link it out here, because in that also Iram has won, and the after effects of that challenge was terrible the next day. As you guys can see, we are done. This is Iram's. We need to clean our table. Now we are leaving because I'm getting late for my meeting, and I need to sleep also. Again, we have class tomorrow. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short CBS tour and some chit chat with me. If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, you guys can let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with all your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Toodles.